Hey there! Want to know the secrets behind how Korean people stay so slim? In this YouTube video, I'll be sharing 10 tips that you can apply to help you lose weight or just stay healthy. It's gonna be a game changer. 1. Balanced diet. Korean cuisine often includes a variety of vegetables, lean proteins, and fermented foods. 2. Portion control. Koreans tend to eat smaller portions, which can help with weight management. They practice mindful eating and keep their portions in check to avoid overeating. 3. Active lifestyle. Many Koreans exercise regularly. They embrace an active lifestyle, incorporating activities like walking, hiking, and traditional exercises like Taekwondo. Many Koreans rely on public transportation or walking, which adds extra physical activity to their daily routine. 4. Traditional tea. Teas, like green tea, are commonly consumed in Korea and are associated with various health benefits. It also helps to boost your immune system. 5. Kimchi. This spicy fermented cabbage dish is a staple in Korean cuisine and is low in calories. It is packed with probiotics and helps with digestion and weight management. 6. Healthy cooking methods. Grilling, steaming, and stir-frying are common cooking techniques used in Korean cuisine. They require less oil, resulting in less excessive oil. 7. Stress management. They prioritize stress management through activities like spending time in nature. 8. Quality sleep. Get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night to help your body function at its best. 9. Hydration habits. Drink water throughout the day. It can contribute to a feeling of fullness and support overall health. 10. No bread diet. Reduce or eliminate bread from your diet. Instead, opt for a healthier carb source like rice, quinoa, or sweet potatoes. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe. For more videos, click on one of the pictures on the screen.